Hello guys, welcome to the graphic design class. By now you should already have your Pixel Lab for your video for your graphic design. So we're going to head over to Pixel Lab without wasting much of your time so that the video will not be long. Just click onto it. Let's get to find the Pixel Lab. I'm scrolling. It is Pixel Lab. Thank you. If you open your Pixel Lab, this is how it will look. This is how the preview interface looks like. This is how it looks. So you just go to head over to text. You already know how to navigate this app. If you don't know, you click your text here. This place that is written A, capital A, is where the text is. You delete this text here, this new text, you just click on delete. Understand? So you just head over to we'll be replicating an already designed project. We'll be replicating it for this class. So what we'll do is we try to get the design that we're going to replicate so that it will be on the screen while we replicate it. Understand? So it will be more easier than minimizing doing this stuff. So what we're going to do is to head over to the middle, the center here. There are 5 icons below, but you click on the middle one, the third one. And you click on the middle one. The middle one is all about images. Let me off my data, please. Sorry for that. So the middle one is actually for images, shapes, and anything concerning object. Understand? It's a kind of an interface or an effect for objects. It's related to objects, especially mostly objects. Understand? So we are going to and this is actually what you see. And when you click it first, this is actually what you see because there's no object. Click on it. Don't worry, I'll still show you more. But this is what you see. When you see this, you just click on import. This is imports. This is to import images from your device. Import images from your device. So you just see what I click, just play around. You should know about this already. Go to your file, go to the gallery you use and other stuff. Just go find the image depending on where your own is. For my own, I've already designed this project. I've already designed it, so I will just go to head over to Pixel Lab, my already designed project. That's where my projects are. This is when I designed it on PC, but I'll go to Pixel Lab. I already have designs project already done, many of them done. So but let me just see it there. Click on it. I will just click on this good button. If you want to make it circle, depends on what you want to do, but that's not the main issue we're learning. I'll show you that later. But for now, you just leave it like that. Click on this good button. Then this big dot is using to resize it. Understand? To zoom it small, make it bigger, zoom it small, make it bigger. And for this is like this. You see it? Then this is like this. You should know this already. Then let's redo. Just click it like this. Then it will become small. It will be resized small. So now let's just head over to the background spot. Now when you click on object like this is what you get. Then this side will change. You understand? This place will change. You see something like select, delete, crop, and other stuff. This to edit. Understand? This to edit the object or the image that you imported. Understand? This is the feature to edit or retouch the image that you imported. Then you just head over to tapping on the background. Then it will disappear. And it will return back to normal. So let's head over to the background, edit. Let's blend the background. I call it the background blending. Understand? Or creating the background. So let's create the background. So what we'll do is head over to here. Here is for the background. There are two square shapes. That's for the background, everything about your background. So click it and you see something like this. See features like this: color, transparency, image size, crop, others, blah 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 stuffs. But for now, I would have taught you how to use this thing, to use image size. Let me show you something. Now this, and you see that this image is equals to the image in the is equals to the background. So we won't really be needing image size. But if you want to change image size, here is how to change image size. You see that now you can edit everything size you want. So you can use the already made templates. You can edit. Understand? But that's not what we're showing. Now maybe I'll show you that in next video or something like that. And for now, this is what we do. We head over to color. Since it's simple color, this is a simple social media design. This is a simple social media design for easy understanding and easy learning, so that it will not be hard on you. Let's start slow. So you click on this color button, and this color button has two features. It has color and gradient. Color is for simple color, that's one color. Then gradient is for combination. It's for combination of different types of color. Understand? In one nature, is a combination of more than one color. Understand? More than one color in texture. So we use simple color. Now for this learning purpose, there are different colors here. But let's just borrow the color. Let's just borrow the color instead of going up and down searching for the color. Let's just borrow it. You click on this plus sign. You understand what I'm doing, right? Are you seeing me? If you have any question, you can drop it while I explain later. Click on this plus sign. I'm just making this video to be fast so that it will not take much of our time and much of, So you click on this plus sign. And you click on this plus sign, you can fix your color, you can do anything, play around this if you can understand. If you need to do it, you can play around, understand, play around, change anything, blah 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 blah. That one I'll still teach that later. But for now, let's borrow. Here is borrowing. So when you get to this interface, there's this sign here. You see the sign here? Are you seeing it, right? This sign, this brush sign beside the pencil one, understand? The DD is not the one we're using. I'll show you this about this later, maybe in the pro or something. But for now, this sign here, click it. Click on it to bring it to this interface. When it brings you to this interface, you just have to click on the image. And you click on the image, you click on the background. Very simple. You click on the background, you tick this good button. That's it. Very simple stuff. You don't need to edit again. Just press OK. And you press OK, you press on the good button. Your background is set. Now you've been wondering this yellow or good color there, but don't worry, I'll show you that later. Now your background is set. Then you go head over to your image side again, the object side. That's the middle, the center part. Head over to it. Now when you head over to it, because this image is clicked, you already see this line and all that is clicked. So all you do is just have to tap on the background. It will be removed. Then you head over to shapes. Now we'll be using shapes. I want this video to be very short, so it will not take much of our time. It will be very understandable. So you head over to shapes. See shapes here. You already see that shapes. You click on it here. You click on it. When you click on it, our aim is to bring that good stuff at the back of the lady. And what you just do is to click on this radius. You see it? This radius. You can use it to turn circle. You can use it to do this. Now on the image, in the shape side, you can do this. See shapes here. So you see what I clicked here. See shapes here. But for this learning, for this particular study, you just click a little bit. You just change it a little bit to like 16. But I like using round number. So I think we just have to use 15. Or why not we use 20? 20 is fine. 20 is fine. Now you scroll down, you see opacity. This is for opacity, but that's not what we have. You go for opacity, you see the color. And you see the color, let's just make it fast like you did the other time. There are different colors, understand? But clicking on this plus button to borrow, you click on this brush button to borrow it, and you click on the image. Simple. Then you head over here, click it. You click on the good, but you already know this procedure. That's simple. Just click OK. It borrows it immediately. And you borrow it, you click on your good button. Click on your good button, then you come to resize. You come to resize. You see that stuff? You see what I'm doing here, right? And you come to resize, and I have to make it look more good. You come to your resize. When you come to your resize, you place this here. You want to place this. When you place this here, to make it more simpler and easier, you just click on the shape. When you click on the shape, you click on copy. You click on copy, it will bring out another stuff. Then you just bring it down. Then when you bring it down, you bring it to this stage. You just know how to shape it, put it in place while you're viewing this thing. When you're viewing the image you're replicating, then you click on the background. I think this is okay, right? Let's just shift it a little bit. This is okay, right? This is okay. I can as from I can see this is okay. Then that's for the background. The background is set. You have already blended the background. So for us not to make mistakes, because sometimes Pixel Lab used to drink Ibu or used to do somehow, so you can sometimes gag or something. So what we just do is just save this. Click here. You see where I clicked? And you click on it. You just lock this. You see this lock button. Any image you click will be locked. It cannot move. They cannot be affected or something like that. You just click on this lock button. Then that's simple.